Hello everyone, welcome to the tenorshare channel. In today's video, we will provide guidance for users who have just switched from Android to iPhone and wish to restore WhatsApp data from Google Drive. This guide will help you safely transfer chat history and media files. So let's get started. Method 1. Use Move to iOS. If you can still use your old Android phone and have purchased a new iPhone and are willing to reset the iPhone, I strongly recommend using the Move to iOS app on Android to transfer all WhatsApp data for free. Please refer to the provided link for detailed steps. However, if you do not wish to reset your iPhone and want to restore the WhatsApp backup from Google Drive without losing any data, please continue with the following methods. Method 2. Use Google Drive. If you did not backup, you need to go to WhatsApp settings and backup first. Remember to turn off the end-to-end encrypted backup and disable two-step verification drive before backing up on Google Drive. Then we can start the restore process with iPhone, according to WhatsApp and Google Drive officials. Google Drive does not support directly restoring the WhatsApp backup from Google Drive on an iPhone. This is very annoying, so we need to get iCareFone to help. This is a professional WhatsApp transfer software. It can transfer your WhatsApp from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. You can directly obtain your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive through iCareFone and transfer it to the desired phone. I have already included the link in the description. Please check it out. Once you have installed iCareFone Transfer on your computer, connect your iPhone to it. Next, select WhatsApp. If you have an Android phone, you can transfer your WhatsApp data here. If not, click on Backup and choose from Google Drive to restore your data. Sign in with the Google account that contains your WhatsApp backup. It is safe to do so, and it will retrieve your Android WhatsApp backup, which may not be visible on your iPhone's Google Drive. You can now select the most recent backup and click Continue to download the backup to your computer. Upon downloading the application, it is necessary to verify the WhatsApp number associated with your backup. This process will prompt you to disable two-step verification, which we had previously disabled. Once verification is complete, your backup will become available for restoration, after which you can proceed by clicking Restore Backup. Keep your iPhone connected to your computer and initiate a restore. It is important to note that restoring the Google backup will overwrite the WhatsApp data on your iPhone. If you wish to retain your data, you can back up your files here and select the specific types of files, including WhatsApp messages that you would like to transfer. Ensure that you are logged into WhatsApp on your iPhone and skip the iCloud backup restoration. Log in to WhatsApp on your computer and wait for the restoration process to complete. Avoid using your iPhone while the process is ongoing. Upon the completion of the restoration process, your iPhone will restart, and you will find all your WhatsApp messages from Google Drive restored on your iPhone. The time it takes may vary depending on your current storage, but it is the most cost-effective method to restore your Google backup to iPhone without losing your iPhone's data. The app also allows you to retrieve all your backed up data, so do give it a try if you really need it. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.